In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new inventory items in QuickBooks. Whether you're managing a warehouse or simply keeping track of your stock, knowing how to efficiently add inventory items can save you time and help you stay organized. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to QuickBooks. Open your preferred web browser, type in the URL qbo.intuit.com, and hit enter. Once the home page loads, ensure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, your next move is to head over to the Inventory section. To do this, look for the sidebar on the left of your screen and click on the Inventory tab. This will take you to a dedicated area for managing all your inventory needs. Being familiar with this section can be invaluable for your business operations. Now that you're in the Inventory section, let's proceed by clicking on the New button. You'll typically find this option near the upper right corner of the screen. It's your gateway to adding fresh items to your inventory list. Clicking on New opens up a variety of options, letting you seamlessly integrate products and services into your system. Following that, choose the Inventory Item option. This determines that you're adding a tangible, physical product to your system. It's crucial to select the correct type of item for accurate tracking and management, ensuring your inventory updates reflect what you truly have on hand. Once you've selected inventory item, you'll see different sections to fill out. Begin by clicking on Basic Info. Here, you'll input general data about the item, such as its name or SKU, and categorize it appropriately. It's a small but significant step to organize your inventory neatly. Thoroughly completing these fields can enhance your inventory management and reporting. Next, click on Inventory Info. In this section, you'll specify details like quantity on hand and reordering level. This plays a key role in maintaining optimal inventory levels, preventing stockouts or overstocking, and ensuring smooth operations. Following the inventory info, you'll advance to the Sales section. Click on it and complete fields such as sales price and income account. This information is pivotal for accurate invoicing and tracking revenue associated with your inventory. Subsequently, proceed to the Purchasing section. Clicking here allows you to fill in data like the cost of the item and the expense account. Defining these entries accurately helps in understanding your purchase costs and maintaining a clear picture of your business expenses. Finally, when you've filled out all the necessary sections, seal the deal by clicking Save and New. This ensures your new inventory item is stored in QuickBooks, and the system is ready for another edition if needed. That wraps up our guide on how to add new inventory items in QuickBooks. By following these steps, you'll be proficient at maintaining an up-to-date, organized inventory. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.